Container and Adonis 27 most big third-party managers use their own software, but if we use one same software, ship owner and crew management company, we can generate barriers like big investors always mention, barriers of talent. By doing this, we can also invest in ESG, having local crew. Let's say if ship trades around Indonesia, we have office in Indonesia, and we can supply local crew together with the key officers and maintain the talent and the cost long term. But we are the owners of the software because we pay for Adonis, and we don't have to rely in any other third party that will keep this barrier of talent in their own castle. Dear ship owner, if we have local crewing and we have our own software, then we can generate these barriers. It's very important nowadays to differentiate, have a competitive advantage with regards of the others, because then we can really invest in the talent long term. This is something that ship owners did not used to do, but today, with the white label previous videos I mentioned, it's very important that each ship owner produces its own talent. We can do this, we have tools. Artificial intelligence is helping us to grow database in a big way, and especially tailor-made for your type of ship. Is it a 200 TEU, 300, 400, 500? Is it touching Africa, America, Asia? We can do really a tailor barrier and castle and keep the talent. Please contact us, because for fleets of above 100 ships we are now taking over contracts, and we are very competitive. We have new nationalities like Cuba, for example, and many other new developments in Candina. Thank you. Bye.